Hi everybody, it's me, Jordan here. And today Jordan said Hi everybody, it's me, Jordan here. And today Jordan said I'm going to talk about dealing Okay, I'm going to talk about dealing I don't know. I'm going to talk about like dealing with Safe Auto. Well, okay, there are so many different automobile insurance companies. I mean, there's Safe Auto, there's Allstate, there's Safe Farm, there's 1-800 Safe Auto, there's Geico Auto Insurance, there's the General. I mean, there's even AAA. I mean, there's different companies, and different companies charge different rates for their services that they provide. So I have Safe Farm. Now, Jordan said, this is basically what you never really understand, and what any insurance agent can tell you, but I don't understand it. It goes something like this. Apparently, Jordan said, because if you buy automobile and you're paying I don't know, a mortgage on it or whatever you want to call it, and until you get the actual deed that says the actual title that says you own the automobile, I mean after you pay it off and everything, they will put this extra interest on you, almost because they don't. Almost if they're afraid to insure a car that you're making third-party payments on. I don't know why. They just do that, Jordan said. It makes no sense to me. Maybe it's something to do with the fact that whoever holds the title until you own it, maybe they're afraid. Maybe it's like a two-party thing. Maybe, Jordan said, because you're paying on it, somebody else has the title at the time. Because there's what they call the title holder, someone who holds it, and it might be the bank or it might be the loan union, whoever you took the mortgage, who took the loan out to buy it in the first place, and they might be too risking insuring something that two people own until you pay it off. Then once you get the title, then their payments are less. But I don't understand. I really don't. Can you explain this to me, Jordan said, so I can understand it? What do you want me to explain, Sailor Moon says. Why my payments were higher because I was paying on the title of ownership of the automobile. But now they're not that. But now they're cheaper because I got the title of ownership. It makes no sense. Well, you see, the reason we do this is because all automobile insurance companies do this, because until you get the title, there's two co-owners. Whoever you took the bank or the bank or the loan union, and you, of course. But once you get the title, then that is officially yours, and it cannot be then weave off on it. What? Because, well, you don't. Well, guess what? Jordan said, one main financial, and me didn't take out the insurance policy on the automobile in question. I'm the one that had to take the insurance policy out on the automobile, not them. So why should I have to pay why did I have to pay such a higher asking price for the insurance each month? Because of them being what they call the title holder. And the funny thing about this is, Jordan says, is some automobile insurance companies, either it be Geico Auto Insurance, Safe Auto Insurance, Allstate, Safe Farm, the General, or AAA or whatever, or Century 31, they always try to get you to also try to reinsure other items. Some insurance companies don't just insure automobiles. They might insure boats. I don't know. and other things. But motorcycles do fall into automobiles, so technically, yeah. But they always try to get you to want to insure other things. Some of them actually gone into house and building insurance, but I certainly don't want to get wrapped up into one of those fiascos. Then it goes something like this. Well, you see, Tuxedo Mask says, if you got other things that need insured, like we also do motorcycle insurance. We also do boat insurance as well. Well, I don't have a boat and I don't have a motorcycle, so that's not going to work. But I just said the options there in case. I just want to say, Jordan said, and this might come off badly, but if I didn't have to legally, get my automobile insured, I wouldn't have done it. That's true. If we didn't have to legally do certain things, we wouldn't do it. But the law does say you have to have your automobile insured, but they don't tell you who to insure it with. Oh yeah, Jordan said, just like the law doesn't prohibit you from telling me, I had to pay a high service fee each month back when I was making payments to One Main Financial. Once I got the title of ownership of the automobile in question, then you made the payments be normal what you advertise. That's what I don't get. Well, Sailor Moon already explained it, you see, because two parties own the automobile. One Main Financial and you when you took out the loan to buy it. But once you paid off the loan and got the title of ownership, it was yours, and we didn't have to pay high. Well, I told you, Jordan said, they didn't take the insurance policy out. I did. That's what pisses me off. Is that people never, they explain, they always say why they always try to find some half-ass reason to justify their actions. But they never explain to you why you're paying higher when you're paying back mortgage on an automobile, but you're paying lesser once you pay that mortgage off and get the title. That they never explain. I could see if both parties insured the automobile, then it would make sense. But only one party did. Just because one party loaned me the money, and just because I paid that one party back, and that party finally gave me the title of ownership, does not mean that party should have to afford, just because two parties owned it at one point, did not mean I had to pay a high asking fee for it. Service fee for it. Makes no sense. I don't understand it. I'm Jordan Long, and I'll see you later.